Hey everybody. So I call this version zero point 0.5 of AI agents, and it's cool enough to me to want to show it off. So just illustrating it, starts off with quite a few pip installs. Pip install Google, pip install Matplotlib, pip install Beautiful Soup 4, pip install Transformers, pip install AutoGPTQ, and then that's it as far as the pip installs. And then we need all of those pip installs because essentially what I'm doing is, so in this big block of code, I'm importing the model like I would, right? And then so in this instance, I'm picking a standard Llama 2 model that's quantized. I'm really used to it, which is why I'm running a lot of the quantization packages. And then I like it because it's small, right? Like so I can play around with this model quite a bit. And then so it's import the model, and then here's the model name, here's the model path, and then I have some other code here, right? So define what a perform a search query is, and then perform the Google search, and then the Google search is very straightforward. It's just plot out what the Google search is, give me the 10 results, and then if it's and then the kind of the code for that, like the way to trigger that is if the prompt contains Google search, and then the two dots, and then the other way to that I have the other kind of like function that I have built into it is the graphing function, and then so if the prompt includes make a graph of, it will make a graph of, and then so kind of like how this works is that there's three functions built into this depending on how you prompt it, right? So it's you can either prompt the model, you can do a Google search, or you can make a graph of whatever you want. And then so the first prompt is make a graph of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it returns some error that I can fix easily, but it also produces our graph of this is exactly what I wanted, right? Data points of 0 through 5, and then 0 through 5, and then here's our graph. Okay, cool. And then Google Search Turing Solutions. And then here's our Google search, and then here's our Google search results, and then these are definitely search results from real search results, and again it's coming off at 10, and then you can click into them, and then last one is like actually triggering the agent, like the model, right? So explain what agent-based artificial intelligence is, please. In ABAI, the agent is the core component of the system responsible for perceiving its environment, reasoning about the current state of the environment, and taking actions to achieve its goals. The agent may be autonomous or controlled by a human, and it may operate in a variety of domains such as game playing, robotics, natural language processing, or recommendation systems. The key features of ABAI are autonomy, complexity, learning, reasoning, interaction, adaptability, self-awareness, creativity, social intelligence, and emotional intelligence. So in this version 0.5 that we have now, we've got some of this. We're definitely missing some elements here. I'd say we're about at 0.5%. We're at about 50% of the way there with this kind of agent-based approach. But so, and this is a lot of prototypes for me, right? Like, and I have been making a few claims recently with regards towards like my big thing that I'm working on currently as kind of just a like honestly offshoot of research is being able to create a like AI powered computer, like out of the box, it's AI powered and it's like AI apps, right? And then so what you're looking at here is prototypes. This is exactly how I plan to do that and have the different apps interact with each other is via this method, depending on via prompt queries, and then I can automate those prompt queries too. I can turn the prompt queries into buttons and things like that, right? And easily make that kind of like more of a visual interface for you. But that's the whole goal. And then this is exactly what we're looking at. This is currently right now with this system, we're running 5 gigs of GPU and 3.4 gigs of system RAM. These are all very important specs to me that I monitor all the time with this, because this is what you'd be running on a baseline level like 90% of the time, right? So I want to make sure that these specs are as low as I can get them and still have this perform reasonably for you. And then so I need to make this prettier and put like a like an actual like graphical interface on it, and actually like for someone that's not technical, so that they like that this might not look like this. But once I do like the back end of this is complete, like I'm ready to prototype and roll out a complete AI powered solution system for you, that it's you can plot your own charts, you can do Google searches, you can ask it questions, you can treat it exactly like an LLM model. On top of this, what I'm not showing is image generation, other features as well. All of this built in out of the box, and then the only thing that we're missing here is the graphical interface. But that's what I'm offering to anyone, and that's what I'm currently building out and working on. And this is uh, just highlighting kind of the success of this Agent 0.5, Generation 0.5. Generation 1 will be a significant improvement of this, but currently right now at Generation 0.5, I am happy. I can get a LLM model, or I can query several different things in Python depending on your prompt, and it's all automated. Beautiful, chef's kiss. If you like this type of video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.